Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to display Tumblr profile blog images on the website on your website. So this is a simple JavaScript project. We are using a jQuery plugin which fetch all these posts from an individual blog. So as you know, Tumblr is a social media website similar to Facebook or Pinterest. So if you just go to tumblr.com, it's a very famous website where you can just make your own blogs. And let me just show you the application here. So you can see inside this application, there will be an input field. So here you just need to input the Tumblr ID, and then it will fetch all the photographs that is available inside the article. So you can also provide the post ID as well, and you can also fetch only the text posted, photos, videos, and also audio posted. So all the advanced options are available. You can also fetch only 10 posts of that person. So let me just show you the example here. So if you just search on Tumblr JavaScript, so if I search this, you will see JavaScript will be there. This is the ID is similar here. This is the ID before tumblr.com. This is the article name, which is JavaScript only. You need to copy this ID, which is article ID. So this is your user ID. Simply let me just refresh it, my application. So all the source code regarding this application, guys, will be there inside the video description. So this is my step-by-step blog post. Let me just show you. So here we are using some jQuery code and JavaScript code to fetch those from Tumblr API without using any sort of access key. So this is the blog post link. The link will be there inside video description. So only single file will be needed, which is index.html file here. You can see this is a file here. So simply you need to copy paste this code here. This is a code here. Long file is there. So a single file is there. You need not have to create much files. So simply Control C, just copy this code here. That's it. Now open your text editor, and simply you need to, let me just delete this file. What you need to do is that just create a file here inside your root directory, just index.html, that's it, and paste that code, that's it. So this is all that you need to do. You need not have to modify the code, that's it. Simply open this with live server or on browser. So you will see you need to provide the ID which I copy pasted here. This is the ID which of Tumblr article. So accordingly you can copy paste it, and you can just paste this ID JavaScript and click on fetch. And now what you will see, guys, it will fetch all the articles, images, videos, all that stuff, audio as well, inside your website. So you can see all these articles are published here, you can see. So it also has pagination. So on the next page it will display 10 more articles. So you can go to the next page, previous page, first page, last page as well. If I go to the last page, you will see this is the last page, previous page. So this is kind of a pagination system is also built in inside this jQuery plugin. So you can see it's a very awesome application. You need not have to go to tumblr.com and sort this. You can use this application. And if I change this to Python here, so it will fetch only the Python ports here, which is, if any Python Tumblr page is there. I think Python is not there. So if I type here Python Tumblr, oh sorry, PyTumbler is the ID here. So let me just see. Sorry, let me search here cricket Tumblr. So if you know Tumblr, if you use it on a daily basis, you will know what I am doing here. So simply you can just go to any user profile. Let's suppose I go to this. So this is their user ID. Simply copy this, and simply you need to paste it here inside the application. So once again, you can paste it here, paste it, and now we can toggle the advanced option. So I only need the photographs, so I will fetch it. So now it will show you me only the photographs here, not text post. So if I toggle once again, if I only want the videos, so I can see the only the videos here which is there. So you can see it is showing only the videos here now. So it's a very fantastic application. You can just see here. Again, if I toggle, if I only want the audio, I can also click the checkbox and it will only show the audio to me. So this is a very awesome application. I think on YouTube, Tumblr API videos are very rare. So this is a great application by which you can interact with Tumblr API, fetch any sort of individual user blog post, images, videos, audio as well. All the source code will be there inside video description. So simply you need to plug the user ID and then you can only fetch the videos here like this, fetch JavaScript on Tumblr. So I think videos is not there. So we will only fetch the photographs. So you will see. So in this easy way by which you can just make this mini search engine which interacts with Tumblr to fetch videos, photographs, audio and articles from tumblr.com and display it on your website. All the source code will be there inside video description. So this is the source code and thanks very much for watching this video.